Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be trying out the Ryobi 1800 PSI pressure washer. We're here on a mobile job. We're going to be washing this Tesla today, and let's see if the Ryobi can keep up. So first, what we're going to be doing, this car is in pretty good shape. It is protected. We did do a coating on it, so overall, it's not too bad. We do have a couple, some traffic film, but not bad at all. Tires are doing well, but we do have some bugs. So I'm going to be taking care of that with an APC. And I'm going to be spraying all over the front. This will help loosen up the bugs. And then when we go into pressure wash it, it's just going to easily come off. We're also going to be taking care of the windshield. And while we're at it, the lower parts of the vehicle. Now you can see it pulling all that dirt from the car. All right, so now we have the pressure washer hooked up. We got the water turned on. We don't have the most important part. Well, this is just going to be throwing water everywhere. So now let's connect our handheld wand. Okay, now we're ready to go. So let's go ahead and turn on the generator. Now this is my first time using it on a mobile job, so we'll see how that works. At home we tried it out, it was good to go, but we're doing it at gravity fed this time, so hopefully there's no problem. Let's go ahead and see. Turn it on real quick, turn it off. All right. Looks like we are good to go. Good flow. Okay. We're good to go. Let's go. Now I let the APC work on it, so now we're ready to pre-treat the vehicle. Now we're ready to rinse off, so we're going to go ahead and rinse off the full vehicle, and then we're going to foam it up. Can't even bring it in closer, guys. You can see just how the APC just carries out the dirt, just pulls everything out, and then it just makes it easy to rinse. Now let's take a close up of the bugs. The Ryobi right there is putting in some work, and surprisingly, it's not as loud as I thought it was going to be. So let me show you guys how loud it is. I'm not sure if you're able to pick that up, but it's not that much louder than the generator. So overall, though, it gets the job done. This Ryobi here for $100. Not bad, guys, not bad at all, especially if you're looking to start your mobile detailing business. Putting in $100 for a pressure washer that's gonna give you access to use the foam cannon, high pressure, and getting your client's vehicle really clean. Not bad at all for $100. So that's the Ryobi that I'm using right here. We have it connected to a Uber Flex hose, and we got the MTM hose, hand, wand, and then the MTM nozzle. My overall first impression on this Ryobi washer, it's pretty good. This is a pretty good pressure washer, no complaints. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about this, and I'll join you guys in the next video.